Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate. Today we'll be highlighting Jess Damuck's New Year's Eve salad from her New York Times bestselling cookbook, Salad Free. Jess Damuck is a recipe developer, food stylist, and author. Jess worked with Martha Stewart for over a decade and eventually became her personal salad chef. She has since moved to Los Angeles to focus on produce-driven cooking. Her book is divided by season, so you will always have fresh ideas for salads no matter what time of year it is. To start, thinly slice the radishes on a mandolin. Soak the radishes for 10 minutes in an ice bath and then pat dry the radishes. Slice off the skin and remove the pith from all your citrus. Once completed, supreme your fruit. This is a fancy word that means cut out the individual segments of fruit. During this process, you will notice juice coming out. Save what you can for dressing later. Halve and pit the avocado. Cut the avocados into slices. Place the avocados and citrus into a dish. You can get creative with this part. Sprinkle the radishes on top. Drizzle the reserved citrus juice to keep the avocados from oxidizing and drizzle your favorite olive oil. Season with flaky salt and enjoy. Enjoy your New Year's Eve salad. Let us know how your salad turned out and what your goals for the new year are. The list of ingredients and links to Jess's Instagram and cookbook are in the description below. Happy New Year and happy cooking, chefs!